everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a heavy-duty boat cover from Uptriton. Let's get to it. Alright, let me go ahead and begin and start opening it. This one, to the best of my understanding, is the smallest size available for these covers. Up on the screen, I'm going to show you guys a few charts of the different sizes. This one in specific being the smallest one can cover between 14 to 16 feet long boats and up to 90 inches wide boats. I myself use an inflatable boat, which I will show you guys in a minute. I have it back there. But first, I'm gonna start unpacking this and see what it looks like. And get an idea of the material, what it's made out of. Let's take a look. I might as well show you guys this. Check it out. This is what it would look like on a boat. Since I'm already over here, let me show you guys the boat I'm gonna be using as an example on. And I'm gonna be putting it on my inflatable boat right here. This is a Saturn BB 290. It's about 10 feet long with the transom wheels, 9.8 horsepower Tohatsu. And my plan is, once I open it up and show you guys what it's all about, is I'm gonna leave the cover on that boat for about a week. Today is March, let me see. Today is March 29th. And I'm going to leave it until Easter Monday, April 5th. I mean, I'm pretty confident it's going to, hold up. Seeing that it looks pretty tough. We're gonna take a look at it right now. But I still want to put it through its paces because I want to see how it holds up through, through sun, rain, wind, hot, cold. Because I know we're getting a cold front here in Florida, so this will be a good way to test it. Anyway, let's go back to the opening. All right, and it has a little, nice little thank you note. That's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take this out. Put it to the side. Oh, it comes with a carrying case. That is nice. Wow. Usually when they give you bags for these, they're usually very, very tight and small, so putting it back is almost impossible. However, this carrying bag, it's got extra space. They thought about that. That's nice. So if you want to store it again, it should fit just snugly. All right, enough of that. Let me go ahead and open this up. What we got here? We got a nice little ribbon. Yeah, that's a nice little touch. I mean, I don't see much use for this. However, it is a nice touch to keep it all together. Okay, so we have here, these are the straps with the locking mechanisms in it. Okay. Starting to see, and this is where the locking mechanism goes in. Let me open one up. Let's take a quick look. All right, here we go. Open that up. So this is a strap. I see. And this locks in right here. Got it. Okay, and this I'm assuming goes into the other end. We will figure that out in a minute. Let's take a look. Okay, this thing is way too big. I'm gonna put the camera on wide angle and turn you guys around because there's not enough space here. Okay, you guys are on wide angle right now. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yep, I had a feeling it was gonna be big. Oh yes. Oh, this will cover my boat nicely. Oh yes, yes, yes. I like it. Okay, so this is the locking mechanism right here. This is the front part. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. All the locking mechanisms are all around. That is very nice. Excellent. I like it. I like it. So this is what it looks like right now. And I believe it's going to cover my boat nicely together with the outboard. All right. So let me go ahead and take a look at the strap and see how they actually work. I need to show you guys how that works. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can spread this out. Okay, so far so good. There we go, that's one part. Well, I'll say that is well covered. Now I need to figure out how to put the straps. I need to show you guys that. Let me see. I finally figured it out. These straps come with two ends like that. And on each end, like over here, and on the other end, you will clip on them. Let me get started. I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? So I don't bore you. Woo! Okay, let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, so here's the deal. Basically, it having two ends, and by the way, I only use 2 straps because mine is an inflatable. It's not super big. Just mind you, okay? You might it comes with 5 straps, so I'm assuming that here, if you have a much bigger boat, you will be using far many more. But they usually strap here, go from the bottom, and tie up on that other end. Not too shabby. So here is the plan. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this out here for about a week. Because I'm in Florida. It rains, it shines, it gets hot, it gets cold, especially now in this weather. Here in March, we get a few cold fronts here and there. I'm gonna check it out within a week, see if it collected any water, see if it has any issues. But I got a feeling, considering the material, it's gonna be tough enough. I mean, this thing is really thick. Really thick. Like it is meant to weather almost all weathers. One more thing, it says in the instructions that if you need to wash this, do not use any soap. Okay, this has a certain some type of film that actually makes the water just slip away. So make sure you don't wash it with soap. If you need to clean it, just water, okay? So it just started raining, and I was kind of hoping I could show you guys the boat while it was raining, but it's dark right now. Wait, it's too dark right now. I'll have to wait till tomorrow to show you guys how it holds up. Okay, so as you guys saw, it rained a lot last night. It's morning time. Let's go ahead and take a look, see how it did. I worked our shifts. I just got out of work, so it's morning time. Woo! Ha! It created a pool, but it's not letting the water in. It's got like that hydrophobic material thing. Let's see if I can actually remove all this water. Well, this is mainly because my boat is an inflatable. It's not an actual, like a standard boat. Look at the water, just slips right through. Wow, that's really cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get most of the water out and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I removed all the water, and it looks like the hydrophobic material is holding up nicely. That's quite nice. Well, today is Thursday. I'm not gonna open it all up until Monday, Easter Monday, I think it is. April 5th, 2021. So the next footage will be on next Monday. Yeah. Whew, it's a lot of rain. Okay, everybody, it is Monday, April the 5th. You guys can see right there, I'm not making this up. It is April the 5th. It has been a week, and right now, this week, since it's Florida, we have gone through all the seasons in 1 week. Hot, right now cold. We had rain, as you guys saw earlier. There was like a big pool of water in there. There's pollen. I mean, this thing went through everything in 1 week. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the straps. I'm gonna fast forward this part so you guys don't get too bored. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, due to the cold weather that came in, the boat has deflated somewhat. That is not really a problem. I was expecting that. However, I want to see if it got wet. Did it get wet? Holy cow. Wow, this thing is bone dry. Wow, that cover did a good job. Well, guys, it did a good job, and I really like the whole hydrophobic material that it has. It didn't let a single drop of water in it. That's pretty good. Well, guys, this will conclude the review of this boat cover. It did a pretty good job. It did pretty decently. Here it is. I just laid it out on the floor. Good stuff. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. I will include some links on the description below for this boat cover, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.